Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to take UKG class subject maths. Subject maths. Students, yesterday we learned descending order and ascending order. Descending order and ascending order. Descending order means what, students? Descending orders means smallest to biggest number. यानी बच्चों स्टेप अपसाइड स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट यानी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 this way, this ascending order. Understood? Next students, descending order means biggest to smallest, this oppose. यानी स्टूडेंट्स जो ज़्यादा है ना, ज़्यादा से कम की ओर जाना, इसे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहते हैं. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर अप बिग टू स्मॉल. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, टुडेज न्यू टॉपिक numbers names in words. Numbers names in words means, see here students, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this numbers in words. Downside 10, no, 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. Okay, first is 10. 10 spelling TEN 10. Students, this daily read and by heart the all spellings, 10 to 100 number spelling, by heart the all spelling. Okay, 10 TEN 10. 20 spelling TWENTY 20. Understood? Next students, 30 spelling THIRTY 30. Next 40 FORTY 40. Understood? Next 50 FIFTY 50. Next 60 SIXTY 60. Next 70 SEVENTY 70. Next 80 EIGHTY 80. Next 90 NINETY 90. Understood students? Last one is 100. 100 HUNDRED 100. Understood? Students, you also daily read and by heart the all spellings. Understood? 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100, this all spelling by heart. Understood? Next students, next topic, biggest and smallest number. Biggest and smallest number. Students, biggest, circle the biggest and cross out the smallest number in which group? Students, circle the biggest and cross out the smallest number. बच्चों, आपको गेस करना है कि जो बिग नंबर है उसे सर्कल करना है और जो स्मॉल नंबर है वो क्रॉस यानी क्रॉस करना है. बच्चों, biggest means what? Biggest means more quantities and smallest means less quantities. Understood? More and less. Okay, see here one example. Here 46 16 21 31 52 11 18. Students, which is more and which is less? Students, यानी कौन बिग है और कौन स्मॉल है? बच्चों, टेल मी. See here, 11 is smallest number, no? These all numbers here, 11 is smallest number, no? That's why here cross out. Understood? And biggest number, tell me students, is 18 16 21 31 46, 52. Which one is biggest? Students, 52 is biggest, no? Understood? Next, students, here 12, 76, 18, 24, 48, 35, 63. Students, guess which is smallest and which is biggest number. Tell me this group, which is more biggest and which is smallest. 24 is biggest, 18 biggest. Tell me, 48 biggest, 76 is biggest. 76 is biggest and smallest. Smallest. Which student tell me? 18 or 12? Which is smallest? 12 is smallest. That's why here cross out. Understood? Next, students. Again one example here. Here some numbers here. 1, 6, 3, 8, 5. Understood? Which is biggest and which number is smallest? 1 is smallest number and 8 is biggest number. Understood? 8 is biggest number. Next is, students, here 62, 22, 12, 82, 72, 32, 48, 42. Which is biggest and which is smallest? Students, tell me. Biggest, 82. Understood? And 12 is smallest. Okay? Next, students, 35, 21, 81, 61, 13, 41, 91, 1, 31. Which is biggest or which is smallest? 1 is smallest and biggest. 91 is biggest. Understood? Next, students, 100, 99, 29, 91, 19, 10. Which is smallest? Which is biggest? Tell me, students. 10 is smallest number and 100 is biggest number. Understood? You also complete this page. Page number 70. Topic: smallest, biggest and smallest number. Okay? Again, next, students, see here page number 71. Okay? See here. Let's revise before, after and between numbers. Let's revise before, after and between numbers. What number comes before, after and between? Before यानी नंबर से पहले, आफ्टर यानी नंबर एक नंबर के बाद में आने वाला, और बिटवीन यानी दो नंबर के बीच में जो नंबर्स होते हैं उसे आपको गेस करके लिखना होगा बच्चों. सी हियर, बिफोर नंबर्स, बिफोर यानी 10 से पहले आने वाला जो नंबर है ना, आपको वो गेस करके यहाँ राइट करना है. 10 लिखते समय आप पहला नंबर कौन सा लिखते हो? देखो, सी हियर, 10 बिफोर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 after, tell me. 9, 10. First you write 9, no? 9 and here 10. Understood? Here 53. 53 is before. Students, tell me. 53 is before 52. Understood? Next, students, 49. 49 is before. Counting, let's counting. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. First write you 48 and after 49. Understood? Next, students, 37. 37 is before. 37 is before. 35, 36. 36, 37. Understood? Next, 33. Here 33. 33 is before. 33 is before. Let's count. 31. Next 32. 32 and 33. Understood? Next, students, 16. 16 is before. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 and 16. 16 is before 15. Understood? 16 लिखने से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है स्टूडेंट्स? 15 आता है. See here 14. 14 is before. Sorry, 42. 42 is before. 42 is before. 41. 41. 41. 42. Understood? Next, students, 23. 23 is before. 23 is before. 22. Understood? बिफोर नंबर मीन्स एक नंबर से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है उसे बिफोर नंबर बोलते हैं. 19. 19 इज बिफोर. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Which number come? 18, 19. Understood? Next, students, after number. After any नंबर, जो नंबर होता है नंबर के बाद में आने वाला नंबर. See here 92. 92 is after. How is read, students? Tell me. 91, 92. 92 is after. What do you write? 93. 93. 56. 56 after. 57. 17 आफ्टर. 17 लिखने के बाद आप बच्चों आप क्या लिखते हो? 18. 29 आफ्टर. 30. 72 आफ्टर. 73. 71 आफ्टर. 72. 34 after. 35. 85 after. 86. And 37 after. 38. This number after number. These all are after numbers. Understood? Next, students, between numbers. Between numbers means बच्चों आपको बिफोर नंबर दिए होते हैं, आफ्टर नंबर दिए होते हैं, उसके बीच में जो आने वाला उसे बिटवीन नंबर बोलते हैं. 21 आफ्टर व्हाट यू राइट? व्हेन यू राइट 21 नंबर, नो 21 to 30 numbers writing, that time 21 after what you write? 22. 21, 22, 23. This line is complete, no? Next, students, 11, 12, 13. Understood? Next, students, 18. What? 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. Understood? Next, students, 47, 49. Which number is here coming? See here, students, 47 and 49 between number. Which number come? When you write 41 numbers to 50, that time you write 41, 42, 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. 47 after what you write? 48. Understood? Next, students, 56 and 58. 56, 57. 56, 57, 58. This line complete, no? Okay. Next 33 and 35. 33 and 35. Right? 31, 32, 33 and 34. 34 and 35. Understood? Next 98 and 100. When you write 91 to 100 numbers, that time 91 8 after what you write, let's count 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. 98 after what you write, 99, 63, 63, 64, 65. Understood? Next 14, 41, 43. Which number will come here, students? Middle number which? 41, 42, 43. Understood? Students, you also write for 71 number, page number. Understood? Today's textbook work, say 71 page number, right? Also 71. And next, students, ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means what? When you counting 1, 2, 3, 4, no, this way new method. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. These numbers, ordinal numbers, is called ordinal numbers. Understood? Ordinal numbers show the position of things in the collection. बच्चों, आप पोजीशन यानी कौन से प्लेस पे हो, यानी आप रैंक, जब हमारे एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म होती है ना, तब फर्स्ट हमारे रैंक आते हैं, एग्ज़ाम में हमारे रैंक आते हैं ना, तब हम क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, उससे ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स, ओ प्लेस, एक जगह, आप कौन सी जगह पर आए हो, कौन सी जगह आपका नंबर आ चुका है, एक प्लेस, एक पोजीशन होता है बच्चों, वो आपको ये ऑर्डिनल नंबर थ्रू समझ में आता है. जैसे कि देखो 1, 2, 3 ऐसे नहीं बोलते, आपका जब रैंक आएगा तो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड ऐसे बोलते हैं, उसे ऑर्डिनल नंबर बोलते हैं. समझ में आ रहा है बच्चों? See here 10 children sitting. Okay, let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. How many students see here? Let's count ordinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. This show the position. Which students were sitting, first, second sitting, third sitting, girl were sitting, girl which position sitting, this girl, no, students देखो, आपको गेस, आपको समझ में लेना है कि कौन सी गर्ल, कौन सा बॉयज कौन से पोजीशन पे बैठा है. देखो रेड शर्ट का बच्चा कहाँ बैठा है, ये रेड शर्ट का बच्चा कहाँ बैठा है, आप कैसे काउंट करोगे? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ. द पोजीशन रेड बॉय सिटिंग, सिक्स्थ पोजीशन सिटिंग, नो? ओके, दिस काउंटिंग कॉल्ड ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स. ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स से बोलते हैं. बच्चों, आपको सर्कल द थर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट द लेफ्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ आपको सर्कल दिए हैं, आप उससे गेस करके थर्ड पोजीशन पे कौन है. सी हियर, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. थर्ड पोजीशन which here, no, is third position. You also color the third position. See here students, third position, you also color this circle, third position circle. See here. Third position, understood? Next student, color the fifth object, the left. यानी आपको ऑर्डिनल टाइप काउंट करना है. फिफ्थ पोजिशन विच यू कलर दिस शेप. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. Which place here position? Here, no? You also color this. Okay? Next students, you also complete page number 72. Here one activity, you guess activity, okay? Students, see here, one the picture is clear, circled in which row? Tick the and tell us correct position. बच्चों आपको एक पोजीशन दी है, एक सर्कल यहाँ कुछ पिक्चर से कौन से चित्र में सर्किल किया है ना, वो प्लेस, वो पोजीशन आपको काउंट करना है ऑर्डिनल थ्रू. यानी सी हियर हाउ इज काउंटिंग. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड. हियर वन कॉलम, हियर टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स, थर्ड और सेवेंथ. विच ऑब्जेक्ट यू करेक्ट राइट? हियर सर्कल, थर्ड प्लेस, नो, थर्ड पोजिशन, नो, थर्ड पोजिशन. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड. First, second, third. You also this counting, okay? Third, any this count sentence. These ordinal numbers. Third, okay? Next, here some pins, okay? Here, which place positions? Let's count. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Which position students? Seventh position, no? Seventh position here, right? Fourth and seventh. You guess which is object correct? Play position correct? Seventh, SEVENTH. Seventh is correct. Understood? Next students, here some frogs. Here some frogs. Here let's count. First, second. Circle here, right? Circle, no? Circle second frogs. So here second place you also write. Understood? Next students, here some pins. Okay? First position. Here first circle. That's why here first. Understood? Next students, count ordinal number through. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Ninth is place position correct. Okay. Here some balloons. Balloons also. Here one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth position. Sixth position. Understood? You also write this page. Okay. Today's textbook work. Page number 69. You daily read and by head the all spellings 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. 90, 100. And biggest and smallest tick out. Okay. Which is biggest and which is smallest? Tick. And next, let's before, after, between number you also write. And ordinal numbers and activity. This textbook work. Understood? Today's homework understood, students? Students, today's class finished. Thank you.